Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggypeg. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I incorporate my hair care products from my brand, my personal brand Hairlistica. If y'all didn't know, I started the brand for hair care products called Hairlistica. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you how I use these products in my wash day routine. So I already shampooed my hair. I removed the excess water with a cotton t-shirt. So now what I'm gonna do is my hot oil treatment. So for that, I'm gonna use my hair and scalp moisturizing growth oil. This oil, it's the best oil that I ever used to promote hair growth and to moisturize my scalp, and especially now during the winter time when my scalp is the driest. Like, this oil is the best. So I'm just gonna apply this everywhere to my scalp. And then I'm gonna massage all that for about 2 minutes just to promote hair growth, so that it can stimulate the hair growth. Okay, so when I'm done massaging the oil to my scalp, I'm gonna use my hair mask that I use at the moment. So today it's gonna be this one from Texture by Cantu. Looks like that. So I'm gonna use that. Then I'm gonna use an elastic and put that up. I'm gonna cover with 2 plastic caps. And then I'm gonna use a towel. So my body heat trapped in the plastic cap, trapped in the towel, that's what will warm my oil up. That's on my scalp. So I don't heat it before in the microwave or in hot water or anything like that. Just my body heat that's gonna warm it up. So I'm gonna keep that for 1 to 2 hours. You can keep it for 15 minutes with heat if you want to, like go under the hooded dryer or something like that. But I prefer to keep it for 1 to 2 hours just because that's when I do some stuff during this time. So yeah, after that I'll just rinse it out and use my conditioner to detangle my hair in the shower, and then I'll be out and show you the rest of how I use my products. Okay, so I rinse out my hot oil treatment and my hair mask in the shower. I detangle my hair with my conditioner, and now it's time for my roller. So as you can see, I already applied half of it. I'm gonna have a full tutorial on how I do my roller set technique, so it's gonna be right there. I'm gonna show you on this side how I use my hydrating hair mist and my hair detangling spray. Okay, so these are the two products that I'm gonna use for my roller set. So I'm just gonna, and water. So I'm just gonna wet my hair first. And then use the hair detangling spray. I'm gonna spray that everywhere. So this detangles my hair so easily, as you can see, and I am currently 3 months post relaxer, so yeah, I just love it. And then dehydrating hair mist. So yeah, if you want to buy my products, if you want to support me, I ship everywhere in Canada and USA. I'll have the link to my website in the description box, so go check it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna go under the hoodie dryer and I'm gonna show you the takedown and how my hair looks after that. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like after my wash day with my Hairlistica hair care products. So as you can see, my hair is very shiny, very healthy looking. It's super moisturized and it's very well detangled. Like, I just love it, and it smells really good also. So now we have another product. This is our moisturizing hair cream. I don't usually use it on my wash day. I use it if I'm doing like a braid out, something like that, or if I want to do like a sleek ponytail. I just like to put that everywhere on my hair before I apply my gel. But yeah, on my wash day, that's it. That's the products that I use. So once again, if you want to support your girl, I'm gonna leave the website for where you can purchase my products. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in another one. Bye, guys.